Hello friends, many of you must be still unaware of different types of braces which is used to correct your malaligned teeth, your crooked teeth, and you can receive a beautiful smile out of it. Yes my friend, I Dr. Mayur Khanna from Precision Dental World. In this video, I'm gonna explain you different types of regular braces and its comparison with the invisible braces, a new technological evolution. So basically, if you see, this is a regular metal braces and the patient is having a little bit of crooked smile, crooked teeth. Many a times we see that this kind of a patient approaches for full mouth dental implants. Well, I say this is not a case for you. The case for you is orthodontic treatment. This comes under orthodontic treatment, and here the braces are used. There are different types of braces. The first type of brace which I'm going to explain you is a metal braces, in which the braces, there is two components. One is a braces which is attached on your tooth, which you can see above, and there is a wire, and the third component which is called elastic. So depending upon the elastic you're using or you're not using, there are additional two types of braces. So if you see on the left hand side, there is a self-ligating metal braces. On the right hand side, there is called traditional metal braces. Now difference between the self-ligating and the traditional braces is that in self-ligating there are only two components, that is the braces itself and the wire. The wire is attached to the braces by itself, and in traditional braces there are three components, that is the braces, the wire and the elastic. Now what is the role of elastic in traditional braces? Elastic holds the wire to the braces. So the forces which is acting on a traditional braces is much more, and the discomfort is slightly more. So that's why many times patients prefer self-ligating braces, and it is much faster. But if you compare the treatment result at the end, it is going to be the same for the both. The same way, the self-ligating braces are slightly expensive than the traditional metal braces. Well, but if you have a problem of smile, going to the college or going to a school with the metal braces in your mouth, and if your friends are teasing you, then the another option is of ceramic braces. Here the braces is of ceramic color, that is tooth color, and over that a wire which is attached is of a metal color. So it is much more aesthetic than the metal braces. In ceramic braces also similarly we have two types, that is a self-ligating ceramic braces and a traditional ceramic braces. Well, if you are really bothered about the braces which is present on the smiling surface of your teeth, then there is another option, advanced technology. Now the braces can be placed inside, and it is called a lingual braces, that is inside of your teeth is given the braces. The only disadvantage is that your tongue may get little sore, or it may require a little more additional appointments because the maintenance is not so easy. So but still, if you are worried, what can be done, what can go something better? Is there any possibility without using this kind of a braces in mouth? Can I get straight aligned teeth? Then yes, you are right. The option is invisible braces. Now with the advanced technology, we scan all your teeth. It is planned in computer how your teeth is going to look. Well, go ahead and look the video where you can see the difference between invisible braces and a traditional braces.
This video shows two ways of straightening crooked teeth. On the left, using conventional braces, and on the right, using ClearPath clear aligners. While braces involve tedious procedures of attaching brackets, wires and elastics to teeth, resulting in an unsightly appearance, ClearPath aligners are removable and transparent so that no one knows you are straightening your teeth. With braces also comes the difficulty in brushing, leading to plaque and calculus buildup, often resulting in bleeding and swollen gums, bad breath, and even receding gum lines. On the other hand, removable ClearPath aligners give the freedom of maintaining the perfect oral hygiene, and their smooth edges and comfortable plastic never hurt your gums, tongue, and cheeks, which cannot be said for rough brackets and poking wires. The poor oral hygiene and lowering of pH due to braces leads to tooth decay and development of white spot lesions on the tooth surface. Unfortunately, both are irreversible conditions. ClearPath aligners generate precise, controlled and predictable movements of teeth and have excellent snug fit that facilitates these forces. Whereas the uncontrolled movements exerted by braces may lead to root resorption, eventually leading to loosening and even exfoliation of teeth. Comparing the two treatment options, one can clearly see that ClearPath aligners offer a more aesthetic, comfortable and healthier solution compared to braces.
Now you can see in this video the patient has a crooked teeth and he needs to get his teeth straightened and aligned so that he can improve his smile. If you see the overall teeth everywhere it is not aligned. Now I'll show you how the invisible braces works. After we examine your teeth, we take an impression or we scan your teeth with the help of a digital impressions, and then, so for example here it is been showing that we are taking a regular traditional impression. After this, the impression is ready, the model is ready, the model is scanned and it is put into the computer. In the computer, according to your requirement, in the software, it is planned in such a way that in future your teeth will get aligned properly so that you can smile beautifully. According to that information, the aligners are created, and it is not just one aligner. It may vary between 15 to 45 different sets of aligners, and then this aligners is given to you and patients wear this set of aligners as per the instructions given to the patients by the orthodontist, and then patients wear it, and this aligners is snugly fit into the teeth, and this creates a constant force, a slow force on the teeth, and gradually the teeth start changing their position and they start coming to a more and more idle position slowly, and without wearing any braces this can happen. And this is what is the technology about invisible braces. So my friends, if you are really worried about the braces, now you don't have to worry. You can just ask for invisible braces to your dentist. You can also take help from our helpline number and we'll be always ready to help you. Till then, thank you so much. If you like this video, do not forget to share, subscribe our channel Dr. Mayur Khairnar. More and more videos will be coming on Invisalign and orthodontic treatment. And till then, stay connected with us. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.